Hi there, here's a short video on how to use the task lists within Nomisma's Final Accounts module. Now, the task lists are located within the Final Accounts module itself, and to navigate to them, you'll need to go to Workflow on the left menu. Once you're in Workflow, you'll notice here you have this checklist. Now, normally, before you start using this will be blank. You won't have any options here. So in order to add options here, you need to go to the Agent Hub, select Settings, and then when that loads, go to Final Accounts. On the left submenu, you then got this checklist here where you can then add new checklists. So if I just delete this and then refresh my page here, then the checklist will disappear. So you can create as many different checklists as you like, and then you can begin utilizing those checklists within different sets of accounts. So you could have a charity set of accounts, you could have a dentist set of accounts, and each of these different sets of accounts you need to do different things for. So to act as your own reminder list, you can create as many of them as you like here. So when you go in and you create a new list, you've got the option to select your different business type. So that will filter through to the company that you're working on in Final Accounts. So my company is a limited company, and I'm just going to go ahead and go simple accounts. And then here you can enter your task name. So we can say gather bank statements, and we want to do that 10 days after the year end. And then we could say reconcile bank account, and we want to do that 15 days after the year end. Reconcile VAT account or ledger, and we want to do that 15 days after. Reconcile POE ledger. You get the idea here. So once I've done that, I can then save. And then by navigating back to the Final Accounts module, your checklist will then appear here and you'll be able to select from one of them. Yeah, so I can create another list and I'll just show you exactly how that works. Save that. So now by going back to the Final Accounts module, we will then have the option to select between the two. And then once you start checking off the individual items, then the due date will disappear and the tick will be saved. So that is how you can use checklists within Nomisma. I hope you found this useful. As always, if you have any questions, any queries, or any suggestions, please do get in touch with us using 020-3021-2326 or email support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.